slide. After a long first day behind the wheel and some pancakes for brekkie, we're trying to break those razors out and get back to our baby faces. We had close to 15 k's of walking to do today, and any wind resistance is going to slow us down. We'll check back with us later at the end of the trip, and we'll give you an update on the beard, stubble, or even bump fluff stats. First creek crossing at Caernarvon, and Alex gonna get some nice scratch marks on his face. Apparently not. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we're at the amphitheatre in the Caernarvon Gorge. We're 4k's into our little expedition today. We got absolutely pissed on last night.
Yeah, it was pretty intense for a bit. Went to bed.
The boys all decided to go to bed, so I watched the footy up by myself.
Go the Broncos.
The Bronx got up, so go the Bronx. We decided that we're going to stay here another night, so we're going to do a couple more walks today. So 2 nights at Takaraka. And we've also got reception here, so we can watch Russell Coit's All Aussie Adventures tonight, all the important things. But in the amphitheatre at the moment, we're going to walk back to the Bluff and the Moss Garden and, yeah.
Call it a day.
Call it a bloody day and have a beer.
We're gonna have to supervise you.
Are you missing something like essential?
Cooper?
Is?
No, but I pulled it out, and unless I did it wrong. This is right so far? So far, yeah. And then it was just like, oh, see you later. And I was like, oh god. That was like, see you later. This is sketchy. Oh, nailed it. Yeah, very, very difficult.
Some beverages. We're Danish chicken together.
Yep. I need a fork.
Oh, ready? first simmer repair.
Yeah. Apparently pot rivets from Singleton Fab don't hold up after the curb.
I don't know if it's the pop rivets or the rust, mate. It could be either or.
It'll do.
Like a glove. Well, very good morning, everyone. We're back on the road. We've just spent a couple of nights at Takaraka at Caernarvon Gorge. Caernarvon Gorge is about 700-ish kilometres west of Brisbane, part of the Great Dividing Range. 30 kilometres long, over 600 metres deep at some points, and I think we walked maybe the better part of 10-12 k's yesterday, and yeah, highly recommend it. It's like awesome views, awesome lookouts and stuff like that, but bring your good walking shoes or you will get blisters. So we jumped back in the cars this morning. Our plan today is to try and get all the way to Addervale because we spent an extra night at Caernarvon, but we'll see how we go on the road, see how many k's we knock over. But yeah, on to the Outback Pub Tour Park. Let's go.
Like it's gotta be. I'm hungry.
Sounds good to me. Cheers. Cheers. Way out west.
Second stop on the Simpson and Schooners tour.
Yeah.
The second part.
Neutral Hotel.